Okay, Robert, so here we go. Here's some actions I've made you. The adjustment black and white point. Let's go ahead and play that. First of all, let's go to reds. Hold down the option key, drag it in. Do we see a little bit of clipping? The same as the highlights. Don't have to be tiny. Then green. So same thing again. It's only a little bit really, so just so, and we'll just go to blue. I just know a shortcut for that. So voila. And the last thing we do is change this to color, just so we're affecting the color and not the contrast of the image. So that's more realistic of the image. Alright, so the next thing, reverse luminosity. We don't have to merge these layers because the action will do it. All you have to do with this is just your opacity. I'm just going to leave it on 30% because that's what the action says, but we can drag it up and down if you like to whatever you think's good. Alright, dodge and burn, select and play. All you have to do is come over and select the brush tool. Make sure the opacity is on 100% and the flow is on 3. So we're brushing with black. That's going to darken certain areas. So we're just going to darken over here, maybe darken his legs a bit. We can darken bits in the image. I know it's not much, but then all we have to do is swap over to white. And if we want to brighten things like his face and his eyes and maybe where his hands are, I'm not sure, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Just have an all-around play with it and it'll really brighten up the image. Now I'll turn that on and off. Voila, see the difference it makes? Just a few strokes. Alright, soft light contrast. This is meant to do, you're meant to do nothing in this. All you have to do is change the opacity. If I turn it on and off, it's just giving us a nice soft light and making your image shine more. So far, we turn all these on and off. We've made a big difference in the image. The next thing is sharpening landscapes. So images like this is considered landscape. All I have to do is click play. And it merges all of these images already. And we've sharpened this for landscape. It's at 50%. We can take it more. So if we turn it on and off, you can see actually a big difference. So if we want to sharpen for portraits, all we do is change this to 100%. As you can see, the opacity there. And this here to 50%. And we've got that at 100. And that'll be sharpening for portraits. But we'll just keep it at that. Alright, so let's merge these down. Right click. Merge visible. So voila. And the last thing we've got is output for print. If I play that, all it's really doing is changing this to Adobe RGB, which your Canon printer will take quite well. And so nothing, it's just changed the profile of that image. It's better for printing. Then output for web. So what this is going to do is save the image to your desktop and make it a certain size, so 2048 pixels. So all I have to do is click play again. It'll stop and ask you where to save it. We can just save it to the desktop, so we can save it to someone else, but I don't need to do that at the moment, so I'll just cancel it. All in all, this is pretty much your actions. I know the output for print, you'll have to save it somewhere or actually save this file. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and press Command S, save the file, and I'm done. Got any questions, mate? Give us a yell.